Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Sophie. Did you sleep well? Yes, very well. What a beautiful day. Yes, the weather is perfect. Are you hungry? I'm hungry. A little bit. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Oh, I need to get ready. Get ready? Why? I have plans today. I'm meeting my sister. Oh, I see. Where are you going? We're going shopping. She needs new clothes. That sounds fun. Yes. What about you? What are your plans? I don't know. Maybe I'll go get breakfast. That's a good idea. Do you want to come with me? We can have breakfast together. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm meeting my sister at 10. No problem. Maybe next time. Yes, definitely next time. Where will you go? I don't know yet. Maybe the bakery on Main Street. Oh, that bakery is good. I like their croissants. Me too. Okay, I'll go there. Have a nice day, Sophie. You too, Lisa. Have fun with your sister. Thanks. See you tonight. See you tonight.
Here's the bakery. It smells so good. Let me go inside.
Good morning. Welcome to our bakery.
Good morning. Everything looks delicious.
Thank you. What would you like today?
I want something sweet. What do you recommend?
Our croissants are very popular, fresh from the oven.
That sounds perfect.
Would you like a drink with that?
What drinks do you have?
We have coffee, tea, and hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate sounds great.
Good choice. Here or to go?
Here, please. Can I sit by the window?
Of course. That table is free.
Thank you.
I'll bring your order to the table.
Perfect. Thank you so much. This seat is nice. I can see the street.
Here you go. 1 croissant and 1 hot chocolate. Enjoy.
Thank you. It looks wonderful.
This croissant is so warm and buttery.
And the hot chocolate is perfect. So cozy and sweet.
This is a great start to my day.
It's almost noon. I'm getting hungry again. Let me go to the market first. I need to buy some fruit. Here's the market. So many fresh fruits.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I want to buy some fruit.
What fruits do you like?
I like bananas, apples, and oranges.
All of those are very fresh today.
Great. How much are the bananas?
$2 per pound.
Okay, I'll take 1 pound of bananas.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, I want 2 apples and 3 oranges.
Perfect. That will be $7 total.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Now I have fruit for later, but I'm really hungry now. Oh, there's a food truck. Perfect.
Hi there. Welcome.
Hello. What's the most popular?
We have chicken, tuna, and veggie sandwiches.
I can't decide. What sandwiches do you have?
The chicken sandwich is our best seller. Very tasty.
Okay, I'll try that. 1 chicken sandwich, please.
Great choice. Would you like a drink?
What drinks do you have?
We have water, orange juice, and lemonade.
Orange juice sounds good.
Perfect. 1 chicken sandwich and 1 orange juice. That's $8.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in 5 minutes.
Okay, I'll wait here.
There's a bench under that tree. You can sit there.
Good idea. Thank you.
Here's your order. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much. This sandwich looks tasty. It's so good. The chicken is tender, very filling, and this orange juice is so fresh and cold, perfect for a hot day. It's 3 o'clock now. I want to relax. Let me go to the bookstore first. I love looking at books. This book looks interesting. I'll buy it. Now I want some coffee. There's a cafe next to the bookstore. This cafe is nice and quiet.
Welcome. What can I get for you?
Hi, I want coffee, but I'm not sure what to order.
Do you like hot or cold coffee?
Cold, please. It's hot today.
Then I recommend our iced coffee. It's very refreshing.
That sounds perfect. Would you like something to eat?
What do you have?
We have muffins, cookies, and cake.
What kind of muffins?
We have blueberry, chocolate, and banana.
The blueberry muffin sounds good. I'll take that.
Great choice. 1 iced coffee and 1 blueberry muffin. That's $6.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'll call your name when it's ready.
Okay, can I sit by the window?
Of course. That's a nice spot.
Thank you. Sophie, your order's ready.
Thank you. It's 7 o'clock now. Time to go to the night market. Here I am. So many people and lights. That grilled chicken smells amazing.
Hello, what would you like?
The grilled chicken smells so good.
Yes, it's our specialty. Very popular.
How much is it?
$3 per skewer.
I'll take 2 skewers, please.
Good choice. That'll be $6.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your chicken. Enjoy.
Thank you. This chicken is delicious. I want some rice, too. Excuse me, do you have fried rice?
Yes, we have chicken fried rice and vegetable fried rice.
Which one do you recommend?
The chicken fried rice is more popular. It's very tasty.
Okay, 1 chicken fried rice, please.
Good choice. Small, medium, or large?
Small, please. I want to try other food, too.
Smart idea. 1 small chicken fried rice. That'll be $6.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your food. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you. This fried rice is perfect. Now I want to try those noodles. Hello, what kind of noodles do you have?
We have regular noodles and spicy noodles.
I like spicy food. Tell me about the spicy noodles.
We have medium spicy and very spicy.
What do most people order?
Most people get medium spicy. Very spicy is really hot.
Okay, I'll try medium spicy. 1 small bowl, please.
Good choice. $5, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your noodles. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you. Wow, this is spicy, but so good. I'm very full now, but I want dessert. Oh, there's a bubble tea stand. Hi, what flavors do you have?
We have milk tea, taro, mango, and strawberry.
I've never tried taro. Can you tell me about it?
Yes, taro is very popular. It's sweet and creamy, purple color.
That sounds interesting. Is it too sweet?
Not too sweet, just right. Most customers love it.
Okay, I'll try that. 1 taro bubble tea, please.
Great choice. Regular or large? What's the difference in price? Regular is $5, large is $7.
Regular, please. I'm very full from dinner.
Perfect. 1 regular taro bubble tea. Do you want extra tapioca pearls?
Extra pearls.
How much extra? Just $1 more. You get double pearls.
No, thank you. Regular is fine.
Okay, that's $5 total. Here you go. Thank you. Your drink will be ready in 2 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Sophie, your bubble tea is ready.
Thank you so much. This bubble tea is so good. The taro flavor is sweet and creamy. I love it. Today was a great day. I tried so much good food. It's almost 9 o'clock. I should go home. Lisa's probably home now. I had so much fun spending the day alone. What a wonderful day.
Hey, excuse me, are you Anna?
Oh, hi, David. Right, long time no see.
Yes, wow, it's been years. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good, just finished my morning run.
Nice. You look healthy and happy.
Thanks. How was your day so far?
Really good. I had breakfast at the cafe nearby.
Oh, I love that place. What did you have?
Just some toast and coffee.
What about you?
I only had coffee. I woke up late.
Still the same old David.
Yeah, nothing much has changed. How's work these days?
Busy, but I like it. I'm teaching English now.
That's great. You always loved the languages.
Yeah, what do you do now?
I'm working as a designer at a small studio.
Wow, that sounds fun.
It is. The team is nice and we make cool projects.
Are you still living in the same area?
Yes, not far from here.
Cool, maybe we can meet again for coffee sometime.
Sure, let's do that next weekend.
Perfect. It was really nice seeing you again.
Me too. Have a great day.
Bye, take care.
This coffee shop is so nice.
Yeah, I come here a lot.
So, how was your trip to Japan?
It was amazing. Japan is such a beautiful country.
Really? Where did you go?
I visited Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka.
Wow, that sounds great. What did you do there?
I went sightseeing, took pictures, and tried so much food.
What food did you like most?
Ramen and sushi, they were delicious.
I love sushi too. Was it expensive?
Not really. Street food in Japan is cheap and tasty.
Nice. Did you meet any local people?
Yes, everyone was very polite and helpful.
That's good to hear. Did you buy any souvenirs?
Yeah, I bought green tea and some small gifts for friends.
Oh, that's so thoughtful. Oh, that's so thoughtful.
For 10 days, I didn't want to leave.
I can imagine. Which city was your favorite?
Kyoto for sure. It's peaceful and full of history.
I want to visit Japan someday too.
You should. I can help you plan the trip.
Deal. Let's go together next year.
Sounds perfect.
Hi, Jack. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine. I wanted to ask, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. She's 2 years younger than me.
Oh, nice. Do you live with your family?
No, I live alone in the city.
Do you visit your parents often?
Yes, almost every weekend. My mom always cooks for me.
That's sweet. Are you married?
No, not yet, but I have a girlfriend.
Really? What's her name?
Her name is Lucy. She's very kind and funny.
How long have you been together?
Almost 3 years now.
Wow, that's a long time. Do you plan to get married?
Maybe next year. We're still thinking about it.
That's nice. I'm happy for you.
Thanks. What about you? Are you single?
Yes, I'm single. I'm not seeing anyone right now.
I see. Do you want to get married someday?
Yes, maybe in the future. Not now.
That's a good plan. Family is important, but work matters too.
I agree. My parents always tell me to find someone who makes me happy.
They're right. Happiness is the most important thing.
Yes, that's true.
Hey, Ben, this restaurant looks nice.
Yes, I like this place. The food is good.
What do you usually eat here?
I always get the pasta. It's delicious.
Oh, I love pasta too. Maybe I'll try it.
Good idea. What do you want to drink?
I'll take orange juice. What about you?
I'll have a cup of coffee.
You always drink coffee.
Yes, it helps me stay awake.
You should change your drink sometimes.
Well, I will try jasmine tea tomorrow then.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm really hungry.
Did you eat breakfast today?
No, I woke up late.
You always wake up late.
I know. I'll try to change.
Oh, our food is here.
Wow, it looks so good.
Yes, let's eat before it gets cold.
Wow, it's such a nice evening.
Yes, the weather is perfect tonight.
I like walking here after work. It helps me relax.
Me too. The air feels so fresh. Do you come here often?
Almost every evening. It's close to my apartment.
That's nice. I wish I lived nearby.
Where do you live now?
About 20 minutes away. I usually come here on weekends.
Oh, that's not too far.
Yeah. How was your day at work?
Pretty busy. I had a meeting all afternoon.
Sounds tiring. What do you do again?
I work at a bank as a clerk.
Oh, right. Do you like it?
Yes, but it's a bit stressful sometimes.
I understand. My job is the same.
You work at a design office, right?
Yes, I design ads and posters.
That sounds fun. You're good with art.
Thanks, but deadlines can be hard.
I guess every job is like that.
Yeah, true. Oh, look, the sky is so clear tonight.
Wow, I can even see the stars.
Let's walk a bit more. It's really peaceful here.
Sure, I love this kind of night.